Hello everyone, welcome back to another session on quantitative aptitude. This is Dhanaja Kumar with you, and today we are going to discuss about problems based on boat and streams. So I'm sure the topic is known to all of you. Coming to the weightage of this topic has got good weightage when we talk about any competitive examination or we talk about campus placement paper. You can expect 2 to 3 questions from both upstream and downstream from this topic called both upstream and downstream. Let's talk about the topic in detail. Okay. So these are the few let's start the topic with the concept of both upstreams and downstreams. So a typical boat looks something similar to this when we talk about, and consider this is a boat and this is somewhere in the water, flowing water. Okay, consider this to be a river, right, having some stream, right? So few of the concepts which we should know are: what is a boat, what is stream, how many types of streams are there. The boat, as you can see, this is one object which looks like boat, which floats on. A boat is an object which floats on water, right? Okay. Stream, this is moving water. Okay. So in boat and stream, we will have speed of boat and we will have speed of stream. Speed of boat should be considered as u and speed of stream should be considered as v. It is just to suppose. Let us suppose speed of boat is denoted as u, unit, kilometer per hour it can be a speed unit, or meter per second it can be. Similarly, speed of stream can be v, kilometer per hour, or v, meter per second. So unit, any unit. Okay. Now considering this, we have two kind of streams. Streams are of two types. One is downstream, another one is upstream. Okay. When the flow of boat, considering here, when the flow of boat is in the same direction of that of the flow of stream, right, then it is called downstream. Okay. So in case of downstream, the boat flows along the stream, but in upstream the boat flows opposite to the stream. Okay, see here, suppose in case A, what happens if boat is going towards the left and stream also is going towards the left? Then it is case of when both boat and stream are going towards left. So what it is called? It is called downstream. When considering case B, when boat and stream are going towards opposite to each other, opposite direction. then what it is called? It is called downstream. Hope this is clear, my dear friends. Okay, so this has to be understood. In case of, suppose boat has got the speed of u kilometer per hour, speed of stream is v kilometer per hour. So downstream, what will happen? If you see here in downstream, both are going towards the same. So total relative speed will be, so that is speed in downstream will be addition of these two, the common distance and the property of time and distance, right? Relative speed. So can we write speed of downstream will be equal to u plus v. In case of upstream, what will happen? Upstream, if the boat speed is high, then u minus v. If boat speed is high, then only it will go, right? Okay, against the stream. So this is what are the two things, which concept which you should know. What happens in downstream and what happens in upstream, my dear friends. If you have understood this much, this is more than sufficient for now. Further, what is required, we'll look into that. So this is in case of upstream and downstream. Few other things which you must know, I'll tell you how to. Okay, so what is there? U is boat speed and V is stream speed. Speed of stream and speed of boat, my dear friends. Okay, so what happens if in case we already know the value of upstream and downstream, right? We know what is SD is given and SU is also given. So what is that? U plus V, and this is U minus V. In some certain questions, you will be given the speed of downstream and speed of boat in upstream, and they will ask you what is the speed of the boat, or what is the speed of stream, right? So how we will find out? If you can see property, you use this. If you add these two, downstream plus upstream, what we will get? Just see what we will get if we are doing plus. So SD plus SU, if you do, what do you get? So you get 2U and this VV get cancelled, right? So what did you get? This is U. U is what? U is boat speed. So how can we find the boat speed? Speed of boat. Speed of boat, can we write, will be equal to half that of downstream speed plus upstream speed? Correct, no? Upstream and downstream, if you add and divide it by 2, you will get the value of U. Similarly, if you want to find the speed of still water, right? Speed of still water, what you can do, if you subtract these two, you will see U will get cancelled and 2V you will get. And what is V? That is stream speed, right? Stream speed. So another formula what you can get is, another formula which we must know is, just a moment. So this is one formula which we are going to use in this. This is one formula, this is one formula, and the last formula what we are going to use is speed of stream. If we have to find out, what we can do, we can do half speed in case of downstream minus speed of boat in case of upstream. So these four formula, if you know, if you remember, all the questions of, most of the questions of boat and stream can be solved. Okay, so this comes with the concept. This concept is clear. Hope everybody has understood. If not, do not worry. We are going to see the questions. Whenever question will come, I will give you the concept. We'll revise the concept once again. So okay, there can be 4 or 5 types of question based on both upstream and downstream. I have seen some question, I have taken some questions which were already asked in one of the competitive examination or in the question paper from Infosys, Wipro, TCS, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, Capgemini, Sonata Software, LG Soft. So all those question papers I have gone through, and then I have got some question paper for all of you. Okay, type 1. Let's see, time based. A person can swim in water with a speed of 13 km per hour in still water. What it is given? In still water, right? So what we know, in still water, the speed is speed in still water, right? Okay, speed is given, so we will write simply speed as 13 km per hour. What is given? If the speed of stream is, okay, speed of stream, so this is, the person can swim. Can we tell, in case of boat it was boat speed which was u, so can we tell this is u, considering that as u, can we just write this is u, and what is v? V is speed of stream, which is given 4 km per hour, right? Okay, what will be the time taken by the person to go 68 km downstream, right? Downstream. So downstream, so what we will do, one sec, having known these two values, we can just find speed in case of downstream. What is that? If this is the boat, my dear friend, just for your concept, if this is the boat and downstream means river is also flowing in the same direction, boat is going towards this, and river flow also is like this one, u also is this side, and v also, u also is towards this, and your v also is towards this left side. So it will get, speed will get added. Relative speed is nothing but u plus v, that is nothing but 13 plus 4 kilometer per hour, that is 17 kilometer per hour, right? So this we got speed in downstream. And how many kilometer he has to go? Distance is given. Distance is given is 68 kilometer. So what will be the time? Time, the basic concept we know, speed distance formula. If you have seen my video on time, speed and distance, what is speed? Speed is nothing but distance by time, right? This is the concept. Using this formula, can we tell that time is equal to distance by speed? Distance divided by speed. Okay, so what is the speed here? Speed is 17 kilometer per hour, kilometer per hour. And what is the distance? Distance is 68 kilometer. So how many times it is going to be? 17 4 ja 68, kilometer kilometer get cancelled, this hour will go there. So time taken will be how much? It will be 4 hours. So this was easy question, right? It was just based on relative speed. Number one, how to find the downstream speed. Downstream is nothing but u plus v. If it is upstream, it is going to be u minus v, right? And then we know the distance and we have found the time. Now let's see another question. Speed based, right? In this you'll have to find the speed of the boat or speed of the still water. Okay, in 1 hour a boat goes 13 kilometer in the direction of the stream. Okay, in the direction of the stream, that means what? In direction, in the direction means nothing but this is downstream. Okay, and 7 kilometer per hour against the stream. Against the stream means what? Against the direction of the stream, that means upstream. The question is upstream and downstream they have given. So what they have given, my dear friend? They have given u plus v, that is speed in downspeed, and upstream u minus v. These two values they have given. What they have given is, one is 13 kilometer per hour. Speed in downstream is 13 km per hour, that is u plus v. Speed in upstream, u minus v, is given 7 km per hour, right? And what they are asking, what will be the speed of the boat in still water? They are telling what is the value of u, correct? No? Okay, so we know, if you remember, just in the concept part what I told, speed of boat in still water, that is u, is nothing but half of speed of downstream plus speed of upstream, isn't it? Okay, let's do. That means u is equal to 1 by 2 into upstream is 13 plus 7. 13 plus 7 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is going to be 10 kilometer per hour. So we got the answer as 10 kilometer per hour. This is our answer. Can be found easily. Okay. So this question is done. Let's see the next question, again based on speed only, speed based question. A woman can row upstream at 16 km per hour. What is given? Speed upstream, that is nothing but, what is speed upstream? Speed upstream is u minus v, that is 16 km per hour. And downstream is what? U plus v, right? That is given as 26 km per hour. What is asked? What is the speed of the stream? What they are telling, v is equal to what? We know v is equal to what? In the concept we have seen, v is equal to half of downstream minus upstream, half of difference of speed in speed of downstream and speed upstream, right? So okay, half of what is speed downstream, that is 26, minus upstream is 16, so that is 10 divided by 2, that is 5 kilometer per hour is the answer. So we got speed of, this is what? Speed of stream this is.